Elsewhere, NASCAR's reputation as a fair and even-handed sanctioning body took a beating this week. A Washington, D.C. television station uncovered a particularly unpleasant chapter in the sad, often mysterious, and ultimately tragic story of Tim Richmond. Quoting exclusive interviews and sealed court documents, the Washington report concludes that NASCAR implemented its drug testing program in the fall of 1987 specifically to keep Richmond off the track. The report charges that when Richmond passed his drug test in February of '88, NASCAR drug advisor Dr. Tennant falsified the test results. NASCAR then used those false results to ban Richmond from the '88 Daytona 500. While Richmond was a controversial and flamboyant figure, often at odds with NASCAR, the move to sideline him was triggered by fears of his fellow drivers. They perceived his behavior both on and off the track as erratic. Only later did we all learn that Richmond was, at the time of his drug test, dying of AIDS. Unfortunately, the response to those driver concerns was badly misguided. By manipulating drug test results, NASCAR soiled its own reputation for integrity. It has further tarnished the reputation of Richmond, who carried the unproven label of drug user to his grave. Worst of all, NASCAR has clearly demonstrated that the critics of drug testing were right all along. It really is easy to manipulate the results, and if you find yourself on the wrong side of those in authority, they really will use a phony drug test as a means to send you out the door. With a couple of notable exceptions, racing is proud of its record of non-involvement with drugs. But in this sorry episode, the only drug test ever conducted by the nation's foremost racing organization has left us with very little to be proud of. We'll be right back.